tere! selles videos ma vaatan siis videot nimega 13 minutit Dank Meme Compilation 28. loodetavasti on see hea.
Chinese part of me is always like, oh, Sierra, find a nice Chinese boy to date. And then the Japanese part of me is like, no, find a nice Japanese boy to date. Right? And then the American part of me is like, I don't know, they're all yellow to me. Like, just pick one. Like, there's like a bajillion of you guys. You do the math. I guess typically better at that, so. Also, I don't speak either language, I only speak English, so it's pretty weird. I'll go to like a Chinese restaurant, and they're always coming at me speaking in their tongues, and I'm just like, sorry, no hablo chinglés. But they kind of judge me, like they think I'm a little less Asian, and it hurts, feels a little awkward, so I figured if that ever happens again, I'm just gonna leave. And then drive away and crash into 17 cars and be like, who's the Asian now, bitch?
Why are you crying?
This music.
What is the song?
Spider-Man music.
No, this is it.
Shut the fuck up!
How so?
Hea algus.
Well, the fact that he hid his phone, and then obviously as soon as it was finished, he distributed it to 11 of his friends. And then from there, it went viral.
Okay. So you think it was like a trophy thing?
Correct. Like he wanted some kind of recognition after, sleeping with a teacher.
You said that afterwards you were surprised that he didn't get in touch with you.
I'm surprised that there was no communication at all, even before I had gotten into trouble.
But you did have communication with him, didn't you, the next day?
No. The next day, just one text in the morning, and that was it.
What was that text?
He texted me that he had a great night, or it was great, or something in that matter. And then I texted back that, yes, it was, that, maybe we could do it again.
I'm white. I'm black. I'm yellow. I'm red.
I'm a bird.
Mitä Pekki te teette? Nalja teette või?
Okay. Fuck, that was my last bullet too.
Nagu reaalselt see on see nagu nii roopul lihtsalt lebusid kille või? Mida asja see oli?
There he goes. You can see him.
have something for you.
What is it?
Just a little something.
お前はもう死んでいる。何？
I did hit her. It's true. It's not bullshit. I did hit her. Oh, hi, Mark.
Which one of you motherfuckers called my mom gay?
Oh, fuck me, Papa.
The first person to get 2 in a row draws a line to them and says, "Tic-tac." You start.
Automaatne või vaata mida ta teeb.
Tic-tac.
ja ta on näed mida ta kaotab või?
About to have sex.
see on just
For the
automaatne
first
või?
time. You use a condom, yes or no? No, God will protect us.
mis asja nüüd juhtus? keegi lihtsalt üle viiks või?
Married because I like meat too much. You could be married and still eat a lot of meat.
I didn't know that.
Nothing but bad bitches in here tonight. Bad bitches only.
I like bad bitches because they like.
Shut up.
I just want you to know, if you ever get in trouble, I'll take care of you. Cause you and me, we're like brothers, only closer.
mida peksis? mida see käsmärk teeb?
Look at your marble. Visualize the sculpture within. Then gently.
tüüpiline skulptor. see on lihtsalt nagu null IQ
Harry, what's the clue?
või pigem null oskus.
Who wants me to open it? You want me to open it? What bloody hell was that?
I didn't know you had an identical twin.
We're not twins. I'm black and he's white.
Go ahead, kid. I'm telling you. It took 2 people. That thing's at least 100 pounds, and it's awkward as shit.
okei, no jah, seda ma näitasin suu
Superman.
jama nagu.
Gave this to you?
Come on, out. Oh, Sage, you didn't even take your shoes off.
I did. Oh, that's funny. I must have taken somebody else's off.
või see peaks olema komöödia või?
Thanks again for all your help.
When I arrived here in America, like 3 months ago, a cab driver told to me something. Rafinha, you can say whatever you want in America, but please don't use the N-word, or people are going to kick your ass. But he never told me what the N-word was. So, for the past 90 days, I have been avoiding all words that starts with the letter N. to me and said, "Can I fuck your ass?" And I was like, I guess, yeah.
Tüüpilised tiimikaaslased lihtsalt.
It's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Yeah. Hey, hey. She say, "Do you love me?" I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm so fucking love.
Did you know if you drank a glass of water today, there's a 100% chance that a molecule from that water once passed through a dinosaur? Condensation, precipitation, evaporation, and don't forget transpiration. Whoa! Water is super.
You're saying it wrong. It's Leviosa, not Leviosa. You do it then if you're so clever. Go on, go on. Wingardium Leviosa.
vaat see ongi põhjus, miks ma arvan, koera peaks natuke suuremat olla. Nice ajastus.
Sharp knife, you get something sharp, and you do this to the bottom of it. Just like that.
Did you know it's impossible to hold an egg in your palm and break it? It's impossible. You can't do it. Nobody in the world can do it. Do you believe that?
Ei saa teha. Ta tõstis praegu seda ei saa teha.
Guys, it is actually possible. It is actually possible to do that shit. Matter of fact, it is indeed possible. Holy shit!
Järelikult ta ei pannud kõikile ühtlaselt rõhku. Mõnile surnud. Seega, kui teile see video meeldis, siis palun likeige seda videot, palun subscribe'ige mu kanali, kui te seda teinud ei ole, ja kindlasti jätke kommentaaridesse, mis videoid te tulevikus selle kanali näha soovite. Tänan vaatamast ja head aega!